what's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is Angry Lexus Dad Takes on a Cop. All right, so let's get into the video. Let's see what they're actually talking about here.
On July 31st, 2024, an officer pulled over a vehicle for speeding in a construction zone.
Stop. Stop. Hey, today I'm Officer Stewart of the Coral Springs Police Department. I need your driver's license, please.
First of all, you know when a cop is stopping you, right? You got your lights on already, right? Before the cop stops you, why don't you put on your seatbelt before the cop gets to the car? How about that? That's an easy ticket right there.
Hey, today I'm Officer Stewart of the Coral Springs Police Department. I need your driver's license, please.
Like he don't see you.
Thank you,
put
sir.
your
The reason I
seatbelt
stopped
on.
today is prior to the red light back there. We're in the construction zone going 52 miles an hour. Speed limit's only 35 through the construction zone. Also, you got to be wearing your seatbelt. You can't put it on.
No, I put it there, but I see.
Perf, I just said it. I just said it. He probably wasn't even gonna catch that because you got tints and everything. He can't see if you got your seatbelt on or not. That's an easy ticket right there.
Usually, my hand and everything.
Why would you take your seatbelt off?
Oh, because that's my hand is normal when you stop the car, and that's
Okay.
Yeah.
So normally you go 52 miles an hour through a construction zone?
yeah, because I try to look at our chest and
Okay, you can't use your phone in a construction zone either. That's illegal.
Yeah.
So no phone, no speeding. All right, give me 1 minute. Sir, do me a favor. Pull over there for me. Right over there. All right. So there's your license back. Okay, this time it's your citation for your speed for 52 and a 35. The blue paper here explains your options. The inside explains how to take care of everything.
52.
Huh?
I don't think, but believe so. I don't drive in 52.
Yep, you're going 52 because you passed me. I see a radar. You're in the right lane.
How I know it's driving 52?
You can go to court if there's no cars around you.
So you showed me the speed.
Bro, you chatting. This is an easy ticket. Bro, get a local lawyer or whatever for $300. They gonna drop this down in a parking ticket, bro. It's not a big deal. This guy is chatting too much.
Driving
No, it doesn't work that way. You can go to court if you don't think you deserve
It's
it.
not right because I didn't see it. If you have to
You
show
just
me
told me you're on your phone, so you could have been looking at your phone.
My phone, I put it. I'm not looking over here. I'm just
Right,
moving.
but you're looking at it. You're not paying attention to it.
I'm paying attention. I'm not paying attention. But can you show me that one? It's not right.
Okay,
You can
you
show
go to
me
court
that.
if
No,
you
you
don't
can show me that one. If you're gonna have me speak like that, you have to show me I'm driving that speed.
Okay, there's nothing to show you,
No,
right?
no, nothing. Show me how. If you can weigh up, so how many? How do I know?
You can go to court and you can.
No, it's around. No, it's no close. No. Oh my God.
I'm not gonna argue with you. I'm trying.
The police way up speed.
Hey, shut your mouth.
I don't.
We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second. But first, I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from zero to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
Shut your mouth.
Okay, I'm talking.
All right?
I'm talking.
You want
I'm
to
talking.
talk? I'll talk to you. You're not going to yell at me.
Show me. You show me. You
That's
show
not
me
how it works.
How I talk me speak like that. Show me that
Get
one.
in your car and go home.
No. My home is not over here.
Then go out here and go.
No. You can show me that
I'm
one.
not showing you anything.
No, how do I know I'm driving like that one?
Go to court.
No, it's just no. It's not the code.
Go to court.
If you can write up like this, however, you made the job.
Okay.
You want
Have
to
a
make
nice
the.
day. I'm not going to argue.
You want to make the
I
job.
already explained to you. I'm not going to
No,
argue.
you
with
did not
You
explain.
wanna
You
go
just give me the Rico.
I explained. You can go
No,
to court.
no,
There's-
you don't give me anything.
Get in your car.
How
Go.
do I know?
You don't. Go.
No, how do I know?
You don't. Go.
No, how do I know that?
I'm leaving.
How do I know that?
Check the area on 4331 Riverside.
He don't want to arrest the guy. That's why he. Oh,
You're about to go to
cooked.
jail. Come here.
Yeah, you done. Yeah, you
Come here.
done.
No.
You want to play
Yeah, you
games?
done.
No, I'll go home. I'll go home.
You want to play
What?
stupid
What?
games?
I'll go home.
You
Play
win stupid
games? Stop. I'll
prizes.
go to jail now.
I don't tell anything to you.
Stop. Come here.
No, I don't tell anything to you. I don't tell anything.
Come here.
Come on. Help.
Motor Porsche, show me a 94, please.
No, I don't tell anything. No, I gotta pick up the kid. I gotta pick up my kid.
Stop.
No,
You
I gotta
cooked.
pick up my kid. Come on. I don't do anything. Come on.
What an idiot.
Everybody help.
University.
Help. I don't do anything.
No, 3.
54 code 3.
Oh, I don't do anything. Come on. I don't do anything. Come on. I don't touch anything.
Stop.
No, listen. I don't touch you anything.
Please test 3 for the 10 code team over here.
Stop fighting with me.
No, I don't. Okay, I'm coming. Okay. I don't touch you.
Stop fighting me.
Okay.
Put your hands behind your back.
Come on.
Stop.
I don't do anything. I don't do anything. Okay.
Put your hands behind your back. Go around.
Okay. Let me explain a little bit.
No, there's no explaining. Shut up.
No, let me explain this thing. Oh my goodness.
Anyone else in the car or no? One detained.
Let me get
Vehicle's clear. Slow down anyone else.
my phone.
We have.
Oh my god. How I call my phone? It's not coming through. Okay. Yeah. I don't do anything.
No,
I just want to explain them.
This is
You
the
good?
definition of a crash out. You crashed out for no reason.
I don't do anything. I don't. You see how small am I? How can I do it?
Yeah, car's clear.
I'm too small. How do I do anything? I don't do anything. I just want to.
Shut up, please.
31, can you advise on the air?
10-8.
We have 10 years.
Say it again. Copy. Yeah.
Can I explain music? I can.
Don't grab anything. When you say grab, don't move until we say to move. You understand?
I haven't patted him down yet, so if you don't mind me.
Yeah, no.
I'm gonna get a record route. You all right with that? You all right with that? Yeah. I'm gonna get a record route.
Well, do you have a bag or no?
Sorry, turn on the light anymore.
That's all right.
I don't have anything anymore.
What you need, brother?
Nothing.
Cage car.
Yeah. You have one around.
I'll be right back.
Is that worth it? For speeding ticket?
Yeah, but I want to know it. I didn't know it.
I explained to you. Then you act like a crazy person. Try to block me with your car. You won't let me leave.
No, because
you jump in front of my car.
You don't let me.
I explained to you what your choices were and how to handle it. You act like a madman. They come running at me. You should let you get tased or shot. Then you jump in front of my car. Then you jump behind my car.
Once you can sit down.
That's not how it works. This isn't your world. I explained to you how to take care of it. Go to court. There's nothing to see. There's nothing to do. Now you get to go to jail on top of a speeding ticket. Worked out well for you.
Yeah.
Alright, so you good? Yeah, thank you.
Now you get to go to jail.
Have a good night.
Take your ass on down to the county.
Yeah, fine.
Act right. You don't want to act right, they gonna get you together, boy.
Hey, what's up? What's up, Kenny?
You can put them in my. I have it here. I'll take it. Go there. We'll get in the feature. I got you. Yeah. Or you?
Yeah, we got it.
We'll put him in our car.
And he white shirt must be supervised.
I don't know if I double lock.
Yeah, we'll take care of it.
And you had a little bit of time. Let's go.
Sir? Hey, what's up, boo?
Hey, DeSalt, the key's in the bag, right?
Yeah.
All right, yeah.
Did she say, hey, what's up, boo? Wait, hold on now.
Sir? Hey, what's up, boo?
Hey, DeSalt, the key's in the bag, right?
Yeah.
All right, yeah.
You start freaking out?
I don't know what happened.
Yeah. That's his property?
Yeah.
I'm gonna pull around and do it. Those good. Is that an Audi? Lexus? Alright.
There's a key in that bag.
An Audi. Yeah, it's an Audi.
Where's the key? Inside the car? Where inside? Oh no, in the back. Yeah? Oh yeah.
That's not it. That's an Audi, is it?
Oh no, one.
Yeah, one's in the car? Alright.
That's it. You got it.
I got it. What's that?
Resisting? Not bad. No, I think the cops did a great job. I give them a 4. I think they did a good, pretty good job. You know what I'm saying? Man, cop tried to leave, didn't want to argue with him, didn't really want to push the issue. You know, I shit, they get a 4 out of 5 for me. I think they did a good job.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.